So the next thing we're going to do here is start thinking about ways of understanding how far each of the different observations are sort of spread out from one another. And one way to do that is to think about the deviation for each observation. And the deviation is simply how far each observation in your sample is from the mean of all the observations that you have. And we'll be looking at a formula called the deviation formula. But before I show that, I'll just make a note that every observation has its own deviation. So when you talk about a deviation, you won't have one number for your whole sample. You'll have one number for every observation in your sample. And the sum of the deviations will always add up to 0. So if you need to find deviations, which you will, a good way to check that you have the right ones is that you should always get a sum of 0 when you add them up. So now I'm going to hop back over to the document camera and show you guys what that looks like.